Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change background in Zoom app on your phone. So this is quick guide. All you have to do now, you can download and install the Zoom Workplace, or you can update your Zoom meeting. So after you update your Zoom meeting app, the Zoom will be renamed into the Zoom Workplace. So after that, you cannot set or change your virtual background anymore via settings. So in order to change your change your background, you can only do that when you are join meeting or start new meeting. Let's try. So when you are join meeting, you can try to slide your toolbar and tap the apps. Wait for loading. Now you can set your virtual background by tap on virtual backgrounds menu or options. Here, virtual background becomes third party powered by pixels. There are four categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. So by tap the background, you can set as background here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.